Quick update, Palisades. We've been reviewing results from our community survey and the responses are clear. The technology you guys are looking to learn the most about is heat pump water heaters. So here's the basics. Heat pump water heaters don't create heat, they move it. They extract heat from the surrounding air and transfer it to the water inside your tank. This makes them far more energy efficient, cleaner, and cheaper to operate than your traditional electric water heater that need a lot of energy to push through metal coils to heat your water up. And heat pump water heaters are just far better than gas powered at this point. They're also safer, quieter, and better for indoor air quality. And the good news that we want to share is that these heat pump water heaters are eligible for incentives through LEDWP's Home LA program, as well as the California Electric Homes program. If you haven't yet, fill out the community survey at the link below and let us know what technologies you want to learn about next. We're building this campaign, Electrify the Rebuild, for you.